Channel Islands National Park Travel Guide. Channel Islands National Park Travel Guide. Description of Channel Islands National Park. Channel Islands National Park is a group of 5 islands off the coast of Southern California. The park is known for its unique wildlife, stunning sea caves, and pristine beaches. It offers a peaceful escape with opportunities for hiking, kayaking, snorkeling, and wildlife viewing. Open times and days. The park is open year-round. Visitor centers typically operate from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Boat tours and ferry services run daily but check schedules as they vary seasonally. Precautions. Bring plenty of water, it can be hot and dry on the islands. Wear sturdy shoes for hiking and sun protection like hats and sunscreen. There is limited cell service, so plan accordingly and inform someone about your trip. Be cautious around wildlife and do not disturb plants or animals. Must visit places. Anacapa Island, famous for its lighthouse and sea arch. Santa Cruz Island, largest island with hiking trails and sea caves. Santa Barbara Island, great for bird watching. San Miguel Island, known for its elephant seal rookeries. Things to do. Hike scenic trails with breathtaking ocean views. Kayak along the coast to explore hidden sea caves. Snorkel or dive to see vibrant marine life. Go camping to experience the islands overnight. Take guided tours to learn about the park's history and ecology. Things not to do. Do not feed or touch wildlife. Avoid picking plants or removing natural items. Do not litter, carry out all trash. Avoid wandering off marked trails to protect fragile habitats. Insider tips. Book ferry tickets well in advance, especially during summer. Bring a picnic lunch, dining options are limited on the islands. Rent equipment like kayaks or snorkeling gear on the mainland before you go. Visit early in the day to avoid crowds and catch wildlife at their most active times. Possible deals. Look for package deals combining ferry rides with guided tours or rentals. Check National Park Service websites for discounted entry programs or annual passes. Some local outfitters offer group discounts or seasonal promotions. Best time to visit. Spring, March to May, offers mild weather and blooming wildflowers. Fall, September to November, has fewer crowds and pleasant temperatures. Summer is busiest but best for water activities if you don't mind crowds. Affordable places to eat nearby. The town of Ventura has several budget-friendly options. The Fizz House offers fresh seafood at reasonable prices. Lure Fish House serves casual meals with local ingredients. Andrea's Seafood Restaurant is great for quick bites and takeout. In Oxnard, try Aloha Thai Fusion for tasty, affordable Asian food. La Dolce Vita for casual Italian dishes without heavy prices. We built a digital business to create ongoing income so we can follow our dreams and live an ideal life. If you are looking to start your own digital business, visit newbeginning.com and find out more.